What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and we can see, if we take a look at our hourly time frame here, it does look as though that we are pumping up here. Obviously we were currently stuck under this resistance here at around this, what is this, almost this 12 cent level, you could say. And you can see quite clearly on our daily time frame here, we're kind of stuck under this level. But it does look as though today we are having a really nice pump up, aren't we, after a bit of consolidation here. We are just grinding our way up for Vechain currently, absolutely pumping for essentially the past, what is this, few weeks now. Almost 3 weeks, we've had a massive pump for Vechain, all the way from 5.5 cents, currently trading at around 11.5 cents. So this is well over a 2x, I think. You know, just over a 2x, you would say 110%-ish. But it does look as though, you know, Vechain's, it's gearing up for a breakout here, isn't it? With Bitcoin showing a lot of strength. If you take a look at Bitcoin, I think it's at around 45, 46k, looking like it's poised for another leg up. And obviously, if that's the case, then we're going to see a lot of crypto start to run. We've also just flipped bullish fit Vechain on our daily EMAs here, which is really bullish as well. And we do strongly think that, you know, it does look as though Vechain is gearing up to break out here, isn't it? And if it does break out, then do anticipate these levels we've been talking about. This one at around 13 cents here, pretty key level. And we would say upwards of around that 15.5 cent level as well. Could be places where we do run up to something like this, because we are just grinding our way up for Vechain right now, aren't we? It does look as though we have formed that W-shaped bottom. And obviously, if that's the case, then our target would be where we formed it at around that 15 cent level, where there is, you know, a very strong level of previous support, probably flipped into resistance. We'll just draw this in so you can see it. It's probably a key level of resistance at around this level here, around 15.5 cents to almost 16 cents. But we would say that is a really good target for Vechain, especially considering how strong it's looking here. We did say that, you know, potentially we could roll over here and retest support. But with Bitcoin obviously looking up, it does seem as though it's dragging the market with it, and we can see Vechain, it looks like it's poised. If we check our hourly time frame here, it does look as though it's potentially poised here for a nice little breakout. We're actually just up at the resistance right now, aren't we? Currently waiting to see what's going to happen here. I mean, maybe by the end of the video this will start to break out, but we'll see what happens. But you can see Vechain's been showing a lot of strength, hasn't it? It's basically been grinding its way up. We actually had a really nice consolidation here. Potentially this is a bull flag here, broke to the upside. We came down and back tested, another run to the upside here, and back tested this level. And obviously, you know, we're coming up and we're back testing on our way, aren't we? Which is really bullish to see, because it shows that we're making a good amount of support. You can see this chart on the hourly time frame. You can see we haven't just gone up in a straight line like this. We've come up, we've ground along support, ground along resistance, and this, you know, this previous level of structure here. We spent, you know, a good week or so in this area consolidating, getting a good amount of support. Then we had the next leg up. The next leg up here, back tested this previous swing high, this previous resistance as support, come up again, retested as support, the previous resistance, and now it looks as though potentially we could be having another little move up here where we come up maybe to our next resistance at around, you know, 13.5, 14 cents, back test, and, you know, doing something like this, aren't we? We're making our way up through the channel, which is really bullish to see. And it seems quite likely, in our opinion, you know, when we look at our daily time frame here, obviously Vechain had a massive uptrend in general ever since the March crash. You can see it here, can't you? You know, every time we've touched the bottom of the channel, we've had a big bounce. And, you know, that's exactly what happened here. We've more or less touched the bottom of the channel here, realistically, haven't we? And, you know, we've come up to the upside really nicely, haven't we? And if we zoom in here, you can see it looks as though we are forming up really nicely, potentially for that run to the upside, obviously. But if we do get rejected, and have a rollover for Bitcoin. Do anticipate this level here, at around 9.5, maybe 10 cents as a good amount of support. Let me just outline this so you can see it quite clearly. Somewhere here is a good level of support, not to mention our EMAs. These should be a good level of support as well to come and back test. Looking something like this basically for continuation, because we have got a back above them, haven't we? You can see quite clearly on most time frames here, we've come down, bounced off this previous level of resistance as support, come up, ripped through the 20, consolidated really bullishly under the 55, broken out the 55, back tested it, and we've come all the way up now to a net, and we're just breaking through all kinds of resistances, aren't we? Looking really, really bullish. And it does look as though Vechain is prepping up for that next pump to the upside, isn't it? And as we said, our overall target is around that 15.5 cent level, but we do think more realistically that 13.5 cent level would be our next point of call. Essentially somewhere around here where there's a good amount of structure and resistance. So things looking really good for Vechain, aren't they? A quick look at the weekly time frame will confirm that it does look as though we fully reclaimed the 20 EMA here on our weekly time frame. Super bullish for continuation. As you can see, we've pretty much done this a few times. Ever since we flipped bullish for the bull market, we've come all the way up. Obviously, we've come back down. We've lost the 20, but we've held the 55 as support. We've come back up, retested, and absolutely flown out the gates, haven't we? You can see the same thing's happened here. Rolled over, retested the 55, rolled over again, retested the 55. We've come up and reclaimed the 20, and now it looks like we're pretty bullish for continuation, aren't we? Because we're reclaiming all kinds of levels of resistance here. And when that's the case, you're looking at, really bullish for continuation, aren't we? So just taking a quick look at this hourly time frame here for our short-term price predictions. It does look as though, Vechain has basically come down, retested this level of structure. We've ran all the way up back to this high here, showing a lot of strength. So do anticipate we could be breaking out quite soon. Most likely today, maybe even before this video gets posted. But, basically two scenarios to play out. We'll either break out and come up to the next level of resistance. There's one small resistance here at 12.5 cents. Or all the way up to this 13.5 cent level before potentially a back test and continuation, something like this. Or if we do get rejected, we could come back down here to this 10 cent-ish level, maybe 9.5 cents, and retest this previous swing high support and consolidate before that continuation in the next few days. So short-term things looking really good for continuation, aren't they, for Vechain? Quite clear here that we're showing a lot of strength. And in the long term, as we said, lining up with these Fibonacci extensions, we could be looking at that 50 cent, and we are looking for that $1-ish Vechain, lining up pretty nicely with the 161 extension here. Essentially, in the next few months going into the end of the bull run, we could be looking at, $1, $1.50 for Vechain if we hit the top of this channel again, going into December, January time by the end of the bull run. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.